Hello, this is Sarah and welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'll be showing you how to make the paper Scabiosa pod, all made with cardstock paper. Before we get started, please like this video below and subscribe to my channel. You could also find all the supplies listed below the video along with the template to cut these with your Cricut, Silhouette, or other cutting machines. This will be a print and cut file, so you will need to use that option for your machine and print the pattern through the printer first and then cut it through your machine. I like to cut at least 20 of these, and depending on how big you want them, you can use more or less. You will use a white cardstock paper. I like to use 65-pound text weight cardstock paper and print this and cut. You will need the center star cut on a fig purple red color cardstock paper, at least 20 of those as well. Then cone the printed circle piece and add glue on the straight end and cone in the curved edge. It should look like a cone. And then I take my shaping tool that I will be linking below, or you could use a pencil to help curl back the edges all around the rim of the circle, and then you get the fig star shape. Curl back the fringe edges gently because they are small, then add your shaping tool to roll up the straight edge so it is like a cylinder but with the fringes curled back. Then this will be a quick process, so have things ready and hot glue the straight edge and insert into the cone and curl back the fringes so it looks like a star and evenly shapes around like a star. This is really small, so you want to be gentle, and you could even use tweezers. I made about 15 of these for my Scabiosa today. Sometimes I need more, so make at least 15 to start with, and then add more if you need. These vary depending on the size of your tissue paper ball, which is the next part. Grab green tissue paper, and one piece should be within the size of your hand, and then one piece should be more of a square around the same width. Ball up the tissue paper that is bigger, then add glue and add onto your floral wire stem. Then grab the square tissue paper and I fold it into 4 and cut the edge round so that when you open it, it should look like a circle. The circle tissue paper will be covering up the tissue ball, so it should be somewhat proportionate to the ball. Then add white glue around the circle and wrap it around the ball and push down the leftover tissue paper closest to the stem towards the ball so there isn't too much leftover tissue paper. Then cut 5 little leaves by hand. This is optional, but I like to add little leaves on the bottom. Then curl back the leaves. Then glue the Scabiosa pieces one by one. I start by adding a line going down the middle. Then I add them in between, filling up the ball and making sure you don't see much of the green tissue paper. I like to make these as filler flowers to my paper flower bouquet, and recently made these for a bridal bouquet that adds the perfect texture and contrast with other flowers. Try making them yourself. Please like this video below and subscribe. Thank you for watching.